A legal case concerning the affirmative action admissions policy at the University of Texas is still before the U.S. Supreme Court.
The suit was brought by Abigail Fisher, who sued the university for using race as a factor in college admissions. This afternoon, I spoke with UT law professor Lino Graglia about the impact the death of Justice Scalia could have on the Fisher case. We have the Fisher case still out there, and what does his death do to this case, do you believe?
Well, you certainly could have been sure that he would have voted in favor of Fisher. That is, he would have voted against affirmative action, against race preference. He was very strong that the Constitution that should not permit the government to deal with people on the basis of race. He was very strong and predictable, but that is also true of Sotomayor, of Ginsburg, of Kagan. That is, there is no way that they're ever going to vote to disallow race preference. That's not going to happen. Scalia and Thomas, you could say the same thing in the other direction.
I believe one of the justices has recused herself from this case.
Yes, Kagan.
So it could come down to a decision ultimately without those two, right?
So now, on this case, it'll be effectively a 7-judge court.
Professor Graglia told me in the Supreme Court 5 justices is a quorum. He says he and Justice Scalia were good friends and predicted his replacement will not be sworn in until after President Obama leaves office.
Hundreds of